Falling down, just kind of crashed the net hard. I just threw the puck on net and luckily went in.
Looks like you lost your stick and everything, huh?
Yeah, it's just all out effort there, not much skill involved, just going back to the net.
What did that mean to get that fourth goal and get a little cushion on those guys?
Definitely meant a little security for us. Definitely didn't take our foot off the gas though. Still had to finish off the last few minutes there.
You guys played great that third period, really took it to them. What was said before going out there that last period?
Basically, for all the seniors, everything we ever wanted is our opportunity to take, and we just got to go and take advantage of it. And I think the underclassmen here really bought in, blocked the shots, good shots on net, and I think it's good for everyone there.
How does this feel?
I don't think it's really hit me yet. I mean, it's like chills up and down my back right now. I'm just excited.
You know, Reiner Gorowski had a couple goals in another big game. You guys are supposed to just expect that out of him every night? Or?
Yeah, he's a player. Him and Hansi tear it up. Kenny on the line. They're a pretty damaging line. Kenny will go in there, bang bodies, and those two got a little finesse for him. So that's a good line for us. It's really helpful.
Well, it seems you guys have a couple pretty good scoring lines at least,
Yes,
right?
we do. We got a lot of spread out talent. We're really deep. That kind of helps us against teams to be able to throw our third line against their their first line. It's really nice. Just go offset matches every once in a while.
You know, most people expected you to be playing Blaine. You guys might have expected that too. What did you think when you had to match up against the champ?
Yeah, it was scary almost because we had 2 tight games against them this year. We tied them, and they're always a battle team. They just come out and work every night, and I give nothing but respect to those guys, and they play great out there.